Hello, hello, hello. Can you look around my house and tell that I am ready for some cooler weather? Oh my gosh, it's so hot and humid outside. I thought, you know what? I'm going to go upstairs and I'm going to get all my fall items and I'm going to start putting them out. And at the very least, I'll think it's cooler, whether it is or not. It will feel cooler in here. So as I was putting out my fall items, I said, you know what? I'm going to make a fall snack mix to put in my little candy dishes and snack jars that are around the house. So I went to the dollar store of all places. Can you believe Walmart did not have Chex Mix in stock? So anyway, I ran out to the dollar store to see what they had. And they did have Chex Mix. I'm not sure what size bag this is I used. You know, normally dollar stores packaging is a little bit smaller than what you would get out of Walmart. But anyway, I made several different variations of the snack mix, but this one is my favorite, and it's so simple. I mean, it's literally cut the bags of snack mix open, pour them in a bowl, mix together the ingredients you want, put it in your snack jar, put it in a Ziploc bag. Now, one thing that I do is we put this in a Ziploc bag when we are going on long road trips. That way we don't have to stop. We usually have water in a cooler. We've got the snack mix in the car. We're good to go. We can hit the road and we can go. But anyway, here's what I used. And this was my favorite out of the variations I made. This was my favorite, and it's so simple.